Hey ladies, it's time to feed your starter. So this is what mine looks like that I fed in class and showed you how to start with. So it's kind of already gone all the way back down to almost the beginning line, which is totally fine. But what we're gonna do is we are going to get rid of half of this because you're not baking bread yet. So there's no way that you need all of this starter. So I'm going to put half of this in my discard container. Now I use my discard container for lots of different recipes, so I keep my discard. You don't keep it yet because you're not sure what to do with it. So I would take half of this and put it in the garbage. But since I use it, I'm gonna keep the half that I'm getting rid of. So I'm just gonna take about half. And put it right in there. Okay, and that left about that much. I'm gonna kind of push it all the way down. And now I'm gonna turn on my scale. So I'm gonna turn on my scale, I'm gonna press my on button. And I'm going to weigh this entire container. And so it says 113 grams. So, let me get a paper and pencil. Forgot to get that out. Hold on, I'm coming. So, 113 grams is the total weight of the container and the starter that I have in here. Now, I'm gonna minus out 26 grams because that was what we said that this container weighed, was 26 grams. So, what is 113? Oh, I need your calculator. I got one. Sorry, I didn't prepare. It's okay. Not happened. So, 113 minus 26. So, I roughly have about 87 grams of starter in my container right now. So, what that means is I'm going to give it 87 grams of water and 87 grams of flour. Okay, now your numbers are going to be different from mine because I don't know how much you take out of yours. But the first thing I like to do is I'm going to zero back out. And now it says 0, and I'm going to put in how much? 87 grams of water. And I got a little bit too much, so I'm just gonna pour some in the sink. Now I don't have enough. Happy day. 80, I'm at 80. I'm at 88, close enough. Okay, now I'm gonna zero out again. $74 and a little bit more. $81. Come on, 80. 86. Let me get a little bit more. Okay, it's 94, but you know what? I like a little bit more flour than I do water. But anyway, okay. Now all I'm gonna do is mix, 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 mix. Make sure you get the bottom real good. And scrape the sides down. Try to make this look level. And now, look, it's right back at the beginning starting line that I had marked to begin with. How cool is that? And you're going to loosely put the lid on it. And since it's so late tonight, it's like I'm just gonna leave this on the counter all night long, and in the morning when I get up and get ready for church, I will put it in the fridge. Okay, if you have any questions, just message in the group chat, but happy feeding.